Vahguru, 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 Vahguru। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। Yesterday, with Vaheguru Ji's Kirpa, we were discussing what happens when someone do gossiping and slandering of a Satguru. Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha is continuing with the same topic, because whenever the structure, how the Shabads are written in Guru Granth Sahib Ji is, first you will have a slok, let's say in this case slok Mahalla Chautha, then it will be a Mahalla Chautha, and then it will be a Paudi. So that is regarded as the full message, the complete message. So yesterday we discussed about the slok Mahalla Chautha. The topic is, if somebody is doing Nindya, Chugli, slandering of a Satguru, literally, which we discussed, slandering of Vaheguru himself, because there is no difference between Guru, Satguru and Vaheguru. All are Sukham, all are Prakash Roop. Guru, Satguru, Vaheguru is Prakash Roop, subtle, light. That's why Gurbani is also called a light. Why? Because Gurbani, basically, it brings light in our mind. The darkness goes away, the ignorance goes away, the wisdom comes. Not the worldly wisdom, but the spiritual wisdom. With the same topic, Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha is teaching us, Mahalla Chautha, Pure Gur ka hukam na manna. O manmukh agyan mutha bikh maya. Long lines. Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha's style, it's a fourth Nanak. There's no difference between Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha, but just the writing style is long sentences for Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha. And the message is very, very clear. Very, very clear. Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha was very humble. In the history, all the Guru Sahban was humble, but for Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha, it's known because his childhood, before he was Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha, he was Jetha. His name was Jetha. And he was orphan. And he went through so much struggle in his life that he always was very humble. When he met Guru Amar Das Sachche Pasha, the Shabad he wrote was, Hum rulte firte, koi baat na puchta, gur satgur sang, kire hum thape. He considered himself, he said, Kire hum thape, as in I am an insect. And I met Guru Amar Das Sachche Pasha, and he brought me next to him. So much humility, right? So here, Guru Ramdas Sachche Pasha is teaching us, Pure Gur ka hukam na manna. The whole spiritual philosophy of Sikhism is a Sikh as in student, Guru as in teacher. Who is our teacher? Who is our Guru? Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. We all are students, Sikhs, Sevaks. Mahalla Chautha, Pure Gur ka hukam na manna. Now just in the physical form, in the physical world, especially people who have studied it in India, especially during my time, like 30, 40 years back, they understand that when you don't listen to your teacher, what happens? You are punished. In India, not here. Here, if you will punish, probably you will, they'll call 911 or something, or there will be a big complaint or something, right? But in our time, 30, 40 years back, we used to get slaps also on our faces. We used to get spanked also. Everything was there, right? Now think from that perspective, the physical guru, physical teacher, if you don't obey your guru, what happens? You are punished. But now here we are talking about a mind, not a physical body. Mahalla Chautha, Pure Gur ka hukam na manne. Now this is about the mind. If the mind is not listening to the Guru, where is the Guru? Outside is Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Inside is the Shabad Guru, Satguru Ji himself. Our mind has two things it has to follow. Either of one thing it has to follow. Either mind can follow the Kal or mind can follow the Satguruji. Both are inside us. High level, mind can either follow the Maya. Maya has three parts, Rajogun, Tamogun and Satogun. Tamogun is poison, basically. Lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego. Or mind can follow the Satguruji. So that this darkness, this Maya, this filth, these thoughts are erased. And mind is in its true form. What is the true form of mind? Mantu Jot Swarup hai apna mool pachan. So now, if the mind is following the Satguru, then it's totally different. But if it is not, then what happens? Jinnu Gurbani vich Manmukh vi kya? Gurmukh and Manmukh. Gurmukh is the one who follows the Guru, who listens to the Guru, who obeys the Guru, who has the Naam, and the Manmukh is the one who will not listen to the Guru. Sometimes we come in the Sachi Sangat also, we sleep. Gurdware janne hain, assi so janne hain. Sleeping again, I'm not talking about just the physical sleep. We are thinking about something else. ਆਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਲਕ ਦਾ ਹੁਕਮ ਸੁਣਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ. We came to the Gurdwara to hear the message of Guru. But what we are doing is we are sleeping. We are not listening to the Guru. Our mind is not listening to the Guru. Mind is thinking about, oh, should I pay my mortgage? Should I eat food? You know, we have discussed this. A lot of people on Sundays, if there are many gurdwaras in close to you, they will call the sevadars and say, what is the menu in the langar hall? Is it a curry? Is it a rajma? It's a pizza? What does it mean? Wherever they like the food, they go there. That means we are not going there to listen to our guru, but we are going there to do something else, maybe social stuff or something. Now, with this thought in your mind, now listen to this message of Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha, our true Guru, perfect Guru, our master. Mahla Chautha, Pure Gur ka hukam na manne. If we don't obey to our Guru, O Manmukh Agyan, that person, that mind is Manmukh. He's just following his own mind and he's ignorant. She's ignorant. Mutta, foolish. Bikh Maya, he's taking the poison. That's the thing. We don't understand that this world is big sagar. It is also called big sagar. It's full of, this is an ocean of poison. When we just listen to our own mind, when we want to do things based on our mind, what we are doing, we are showing back to our guru and we are playing with the poison. We are drinking the poison. Pure gur ka hukam na manne, ओ मनमुख अज्ञान मुठा बिख माया उस अंदर कूड़ कूड़ कूड़ो कर बूझै अनहोदे झगड़े दए उस दे गल पाया कहंदे when you don't listen to the guru, when I will not listen to my guru, what will happen? The falsehood, the maya will be in action. Tammo gun will be in the action. Lust will be in the action. The five thieves will be in the action. Anxiety will be in the action. Worries will be in the action. Us andar kood koodo kar bujai. Then what will happen? Everybody will see that the person is bujai, means everybody will see that the person is just doing falsehood. He's doing lying and stealing and cheating. Well, no, because this is what happens. Either you listen to the guru. When you listen to the guru, then you will have a moral character. The character is very important. Morality is very important, and morality will not come if somebody just want to be, with a good character. It comes only with the naam, because if we have naam inside us, if we have love for Vaheguru inside us, then we will see Vaheguruji in everybody. Then we'll see God in everybody. Meaning, if we will have to do a cheating and stealing, we will think twice. Do बार इसी सोचांगे that should I cheat and steal? Why? Because Vaheguruji is in that person. अनहोदा झगड़े दई उसके गल पाया. Useless arguments, useless fights that will come on our head. Because we'll fight with everybody, we'll argue with everybody, we'll be angry with everybody. Kood koodo kar bujhe. Our behavior will be very irritating behavior. Whether you are a rich or you are a poor, whether you are a Sikh or a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian, does not matter. This is the game of mind. If mind is disconnected with Vaheguru, if the mind is disconnected with the Naam, that Naam is in everybody. Nonid Amrit Prabh ka naam dehi mein iska vishram. It is in everybody. Does not matter which religion you belong to. Naam is there in everybody. Satguruji is there in everybody. And when we disconnect with Satguruji, we will do everything wrong. The bamariyan aandi hain. The diseases will come to our mind. Now even doctors agree that if somebody thinks too much, worries too much, has a lot of anxiety. If they cannot sleep in the night, they will have an insomnia, they will have a high blood pressure, they have many, many things, right? Us andar kood koodo kar bujai, and everybody will know what is happening, right? ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਫਰੋਸੀ ਕਰੇ ਬਹੁ ਤੇਰੀ ਉਸਦਾ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾ ਪਾਇਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਬਾਤਨ ਹੀ ਅਸਮਾਨ ਗਿਰਾਵੇ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਫਰੋਸੀ ਕਰੇ ਬਹੁ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਕਰੇਗਾ he will talk a lot good things also but nobody will be impacted with his talk because everybody knows that the person is fake, counterfeit, false. He's just doing, when you go to buy something and you know what kind of a shop it is, they know that if the person is selling this, he's lying. You know what is the real price of the thing? They'll keep on lying to you. And when you will check the price on the internet and the price of the internet is a lot more lower, and then you know that the owner of this shop, the business, is lying. फंस जाता है आप ही बंदा उस अंदर कूड़ कूड़ो कर बूझै अनहोदे झगड़े दई उसके उस दे गल पाया then the arguments will start. Whatever they will see, whatever they will say, nobody will believe in that. ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਫਰੋਸੀ ਕਰੇ ਬਹੁ ਤੇਰੀ ਉਸਦਾ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾ ਪਾਇਆ. They will talk good things also. Sometimes they will talk about Vaheguru also. Kare ਬਹੁ ਤੇਰੀ. They will speak good things also, but people will know that they are just babbling. They're just saying things to win your heart. ਉਸ ਘਰ ਘਰ ਹੰਡੈ ਜਿਉ ਰਣ ਦੁਹਾਗਣ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਮੋਹ ਜੋੜੇ ਉਸ ਵੀ ਲੱਛਣ ਲਾਇਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ that person, that mind is like if somebody has been thrown out of their house. Maharaj is giving an example of a characterless woman. If the characterless woman, Dohagan, has been shown the door by the husband, it can be a husband also, a characterless husband also, shown a door by the wife, and that Dohagan, that person, that spouse, they go to the place and still do a lot of bad things. And nobody wants to get connected with them. Nobody wants to have a relationship with them. Us naal muh jode, us bhi lachhan laya. Nobody wants to get associated with them because, if somebody has a bad character, then people don't want to make them their friends because they don't want to get stained themselves. And it's the same thing is about the mind who will not obey to the Satguru. Can they have the same hala? Now somebody will say, we know so many people who behave like this. Again, Maharaj is talking about the mind. If you don't know that person if the person still has a ijjat, a respect, a honor in the society, remember the lekha is being written. Lekhe katena chutiye, khin khin pulan har. We cannot be, only there is one way of forgiveness when we come to the Sharan. Otherwise, we will never be forgiven. Lekhe kade na chudi. Our account is such a bad, our karams are such a bad. If we are doing the bad karams, it has all our karams are written. Every breath, whatever we do, is written on the Akash Tat. We have 5 Tats, 5 elements in our body. There is a Akash Tat, a sky, a cloud. Everything is written in the cloud. All our karams. Maharaj says, Lekhe katena chutiye khin khin pulanhar. Every second we are doing mistakes. We are being dohagan. And when we are dohagan, when we are doing bad things, under the influence of 5 dudes, under the influence of 5 thieves, our lekha is being written. Maharaj says, Lekhe katena chutiye khin khin pulanhar. how can we get, how can we be forgiven? Bakshanhar Bakshla Nanak Parutar. Only Satguruji can forgive us when we will come to the Sharan of Satguruji, when we will come to the sanctuary of Satguruji. How to come in the sanctuary of Satguruji? By listening to, by obeying the hukam of Satguruji. What is the hukam? What is the order? What is the command of Satguruji? Eko naam hukam hai, Nanak Satgur diya bujaye jiyo. The naam is the hukam. When we will connect with the naam, when we will connect with the shabad, Wah Guru, Wah Guru, Wah Guru. When we will jap naam, when we will cleanse our mind, we will follow whatever Satguruji is telling us. Then we will receive the naam, the sukham naam, the voice of Vaheguru, the light of Vaheguru. ਉਹ ਘਰ ਘਰ ਹੰਡੈ ਜੋ ਰਣ ਦੁਹਾਗਣ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਮੋਹ ਜੋੜੇ ਉਸ ਵੀ ਲੱਛਣ ਲਾਇਆ. Nobody will connect with that kind of a person who disobey Satguru ji. Gurmukh hoye so alpato varta. First Maharaj talked about the manmukh. Manmukh is disobeying. Manmukh is abusing Satguru ji. Last Shabad we read it. But Gurmukh, they are virle. They are the rare ones. They will do whatever Satguruji will do. They will not use their mind. They will use Guru's mind. They will leave their own wisdom. They will use Vaheguruji's wisdom. Gurbani kahe, sevak jan mane. They will listen to the Guru. Gurmukh hoye, so alpato varta. They will be different. Usda paas chhad, gur paas beh jaya. They will leave their own wisdom. They will not do the company. They will not sit in the Sangat of Dohagans. They will only come in the Sachi Sangat. They will not go to pubs, clubs, and discotheques. They will not go to the parties and all. Somebody called me yesterday. They said, I have been doing Simran and everything, but how can I leave the company of my friends? They do all sort of things. They do the abusing, they drink and everything. Now, Guru Pyaro, it's up to you. What is more important for you in your life? Do you want to achieve the purpose of your life? What is the purpose of our life? It's for everybody. Pai Prapat Manuk Dehuriya, Gobind Milan ki, eh teri bariya, avar kaaj tere kite nakam, mil sad sangat paj keval naam. The purpose of our life is to meet God. Now, Maharaj says, if you want to achieve the purpose of your life, what you should do? Sat sangat mile so tarya gur prasad parampad paya suke kasat harya. Can they come to the Sachi Sangat, true congregation? Sant jana mil harjas gayo kot janam ke dukh gwayo. Can they come in Sachi Sangat, true congregation, and chant? All your dukh, all your thoughts, all your sins, all the diseases will go away, physical or mental. Tine taap nivaran hara, dukh hanta sukh ras. The dukh will go away. Dukh par har sukh kar le jaye. The sorrow, the pain will go away, and the happiness and peace will come. But how? Gur paas beh jaya. If we will sit with the Guru, in the company of the Guru, it will come in Sachi Sangat. But Maharaj says, on the other side, if you decide to do something else, if you decide to do Nindya Chugli, slandering of your Guru, Jo Gur Gope Apna, so pala nahi pancho, un laha mool sab gawaya. Can they all Sachi Sangat ji? Pancho means Sachi Sangat here. Says Pancho saints, if that person will do slandering of their guru, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਦੀ ਭਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ. They will never benefit. They will never benefit. They will be always losing the game. They will always have diseases with them. Un laha mool sab gwaya. They came here in this world, they got this gift of the physical body so that they can meet Vaheguru, but they will fail. They will lose this game. Pehla agam nigam नानक आख सुनाए पूरे गुर का बचन ऊपर आया. कहते Guru Nanak Dev Ji is telling, Guru Ramdas Sache Pasha is saying, Guru Nanak Dev Ji first came and he told us that you have to follow the Guru. Remember, we discussed this yesterday also. If you have not heard the lecture yesterday, there is recorded. It's always recorded in the YouTube, which you can hear it again. But the first message we receive always is, which is also called a chiri, which is also called a hukam, which is on our forehead. Mastak hove likhya har simar prani. When we are in the mother's womb, we are connected through the Naam. Which Naam? The Sukham Naam, with the Vaheguru. And we are getting a training in the mother's womb. What should we do when we come to this world? Pehla agam nigam nanak aakh sunaye. Pure gur ka bachan upar aaya. And first the message is given, the training is given in the mother's womb. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji, when he came to this world, he knew that people have forgotten the message, forgotten the training which was given to them in the mother's womb. Liv chudki, lagi trishna, maya amar vartaya. They were connected first with Vaheguru Ji. Now they are disconnected. And they have forgotten why they came in this world. So the reason is Guru Nanak Dev Ji, that's why he gave us the Guru Mantra. He said, if you want to connect back with that Naam, with that Shabad, you have to chant. You have to listen to Gurbani Guru. That's why he gave that message, Aakh Sunaye. He gave that message to the whole world. That why? What is the reality? That's why he gave us all these messages. ਗੁਰ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਵਡਿਆਈ ਪਾਵੈ ਗੁਰਪੂਰੇ ਕੀ ਮਨ ਮੁੱਖਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੇਲਾ ਹੱਥ ਨਾ ਆਇਆ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ if the Gurmukhs, they will listen to the Guru, they will get the glory, the greatness. Whatever Guru has to give them, they will receive that gift. The Guru will be pleased with them. But Manmukhs, who will not listen to the wisdom of the Guru, they will lose that time. They will lose that opportunity, because this body is given to us so that we have this chance to meet Vaheguru. लेकिन साडा प्यार ही नहीं, साडा दुनिया दे नाल, माया दे नाल प्यार है. Our love is for this world. We have lost the love for Vaheguru. And the love for Vaheguru will only come gaviye suniye man rakhiye pao. When we'll come to the Sachi Sangat and when we will jap naam, then only that love will come. Paudi. Paudi is always a summarization of the two sloks which we read yesterday and today. Sach sacha sab to vadda hai, so laye jis satgur tikke. Kende the greatest of everything is Shabad. Satguru Ji, Vaheguru Ji is also called Sach. That's why Maharaj Guru Nanak Dev Ji told us, Aad Sach, Jugad Sach, Hai Bhi Sach, Nanak Hosi Pi Sach. The Sach was there before this creation. Sach was there in every Jug, in every time. Sach is there today also. We will not be there, but the Sach will be there after us also. Maharaj says, the Sach is the greatest of all. Sach Sacha sab to vadda hai. Is the greatest of all. Not physical, no physical being can be more greater than Vaheguru Ji. So laye jis satgur tikke. Can they, the ones who will understand this, one who will be connected with the Sach, how would we know? when they leave this body, whether they were connected with the Sach or not, they will have a nishan, they will have a tikka, they will have an insignia on the forehead. That's why when we receive the naam, in between our eyes, in between our eyebrows, the naam is heard. ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਮਸਤਕ ਹੋਵੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹਰ ਸਿਮਰ ਪ੍ਰਾਣੀ, ਉੱਥੇ ਟਿੱਕਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਤਿਲਕ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ. There is a sign there. ਸੱਚ ਸੱਚਾ ਸ਼ਬਦੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਲਏ ਜਿਸ ਸਤਗੁਰ ਟਿੱਕੇ. Satguru ji will give us the naam. Satgur Sikh ko naam tande. That sign will be given to us. We will hear that Anhad Bani, Anhad Shabad, that naad. So Satgur je sach ਧਿਆਇਂਦਾ ਸੱਚ ਸੱਚਾ ਸਤਗੁਰ ਇੱਕ ਹੈ. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ who will get that nishan? The ones who will put a focus on the Shabad. First the Akhri naam. First the Guru Mantra. Vahguru, Vahguru, Vahguru. When they will meditate on Vahguru, when they will jap, then they will chant, then Satguru ji will, Vahguru ji will give them their naam. Soi Satgur Purakh hai, jin panje doot kite vas chikke. And this Satguru ji, these 5 doots, lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego, high level, they keep on changing their forms. They can never come close to Satguru ji. That's a nishani of Satguru ji. So when we will connect with Satguru ji, again, the definition of Satguru, Satgur mera sada sada na aave na jaye, o abinashi purkh hai samme raya samaye. Sadguru is always there. There is no difference between Sadguru and Vaheguru. Sadguru is the light, Prakash Roop Sadguru ji. He's sada sada. He's always present. Na aave na jaye. He never comes and go. He is always present because he is sukham, subtle, in the form of light. O abhinasi purakh hai, samme raya sumay. He is in everybody in the form of light. Jin panje doot kite vas chikke. He has conquered the 5. What does that mean, conquered? As in, 5 doots cannot even come close to them. If our mind will connect with Satguruji, mind will also become Satguru's roop. Just like Satguru. Har jan aisa chahiye, jaisa har hi hoye. It will be just like Satguruji. That is our final destination. That is our final destination, that our mind also becomes light. That's why Maharaj in Gurbani tells us again and again, Man tu jyot saroop hai, apna mool pachan. Recognize yourself who you are. You are just like Satguruji. And when we become Satguruji, then these 5 doots cannot come close to us. Till that time, 5 doots will bother us. More we will do Simran, more will we read Gurbani, they will keep on going away from us, but they will still can create a problem for you. ਏਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੇਤੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ 5 ਦੂਤ. Till the time we have this skin and all, they will keep on bothering you. So never get upset. Do ardas. ਕਿਹੜੀ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ? What ardas? What prayer should we do? ਕਾਮ ਕ੍ਰੋਧ ਅਰ ਲੋਭ ਮੋਹ ਬਿਨਸ ਜਾਏ ਆਮੇਵ ਨਾਨਕ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਸ਼ਰਨਾਗਤੀ ਕਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਗੁਰਦੇਵ. Do the prasad kirpa. Give me this grace so that this lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego should be erased from my mind. They should not come close to me. We have to do this ardas again and again, again and again. And then we have to do Simran. We have to make sure our character is good. We have to read Gurbani. That's why we record these calls, so that you can listen to these things again and again. When we listen to the Gurbani again and again, the message of Guru again and again, then we know what to do, how to live our life. Lifestyle is very important, very important. Soi Satgur Purakh hai, jin panje doot kite vas chikke. जे बिन सतगुर सेवे आप गणाए दे, तिन अंदर कूड़ फिट फिट मोह फिके. Now these days in this world, because we are living in Kal Yuga, what happens is people get ego very fast, especially people who do prachar, right? When we do prachar, we all should do prachar, but we have to make sure that nobody start praising us, because we all are human beings. We cannot be compared to Guru. We cannot become a Guru. Guru, Satguru is only and only Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji outside in the physical form, and the light which is inside everybody. वो सारे दे अंदर है. There is no one person, one human being of a, because who are we? If we consider ourselves a physical body, then Maharaj says you are Bishta Ast Rakat Parete Cham. Bishta is garbage, poop. Ast is bones. Rakat is blood. Cham is skin. We're just made out of 5 elements. We're just a filth or dirt. We cannot be compared with the Satguruji. ਜੇ ਬਿਨ ਸਤਗੁਰ ਸੇਵੇ ਆਪ ਗੁਣਾਏ ਦੇ ਤਿਨ ਅੰਦਰ ਕੂੜ ਫਿਟ ਫਿਟ ਮੋਹ ਫਿੱਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਫਾਲਸ ਤਾਈਓ ਦੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਹੀਂ they are not gurus, they are counterfeit, fake. Whosoever calls themselves a guru, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ. ਸਿਰਫ ਗੁਰੂ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ? there is no difference between guru, satguru and vaheguru ji. And Guru is subtle, which is inside us in the form of a Shabad, and outside in the form of Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj. Always remember this. Oye bole kise na pavani muh kale satgur te chukke. Kende if somebody who will consider themselves a guru or a satguru, their face will be blackened in the court of Vaheguru, and they will be always separated from Satguruji, because nobody can become Satguruji, because Satguruji is only one, Vaheguruji is only one. There's nobody like Vaheguruji, right? Our mind can become like Vaheguruji, but that requires a lot of effort and lot of hard work, lifestyle change. Still, when somebody will become one with Vaheguru, they kadi apne aap nu janaega nahi, not in the physical form. It's just the mind is sukham. ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ. We are not Satguruji. No, so that's why we always say in these lectures, never get connected with a physical being, any physical being. Only and only connect with Gurbani Guru. ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਲਈਏ. Let's read all of us. ਬਾਣੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਹੈ ਬਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਣੀ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਕਹੈ ਸੇਵਕ ਜਨ ਮੰਨੈ ਪ੍ਰਤੱਖ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਿਸਤਾਰੇ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਕਹੈ ਸੇਵਕ ਜਨ ਮੰਨੈ ਪ੍ਰਤੱਖ ਗੁਰੂ ਨਿਸਤਾਰੇ. ਆਓ ਜੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ, let's connect. ਵਾਹ, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. Why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru. सेवा कर लो गुरुमुख प्यारे. Why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why,
Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, Guru, why, ngere, 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 why, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 अंतर्गत सिमरन वाहिगुरु जी मनी बोले मनी सुने। वाहिगुरु जी हम अवगुण परे एक गुण नाही, अमृत छाड़ बिखे बिख खाई, माया मोह परम पै फूले, सुत दारा स्यो प्रीत लगाई। एक उत्तम पंथ सुनियो गुर संगत, तह मिलंत जम त्रास मिटाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की, गुर रामदास राखो शरणाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की, गुरु रामदास राखो शरणाई। बोल चुक दी खिमा जी। वाहिगुरू जी का